are the team leaders of the project Blue Marble.
It is actually a nature conservation project which promotes volunteer activities throughout Sri Lanka.
And these are our foreign volunteers.
I'm Violet, the Secretary of Secretary Malaysia. Today we made some beach cleanup in Cuddle, Sri Lanka, and we do really wish we made some positive impact since we have some locals and tourists joining us for the beach cleanup project. And I thank you so much for AIESEC and Candy and Team Greenery Sri Lanka for giving us the opportunity. Thank you.
Ich bin Nadia, ich komme aus Deutschland and I joined the project I think 3 days ago. And today we had a beach cleanup at Jungle Beach, and I joined the project because we are doing a lot of different activities and I always wanted to know how it is to really do something for our environment, and so here I am.
We did a beach cleanup and you could see that there was still trash everywhere and it really needs to get cleaned up, otherwise we're becoming the sea, and of course we don't want that to happen, and I'm really thankful for everyone that helped.